How much can you actually earn on Bigcashweb, and is it scam or legit? I tested it for 10 days, spent around 20 hours, and tracked my real earnings. I'll show the payments, the daily results, and whether it is worth your time. Chapter 1. What is Bigcashweb? Bigcashweb is an online earning platform where users complete tasks for rewards. You can earn by playing games, taking surveys, installing apps, watching videos, and referring users. The process is simple. Sign up, confirm your email, complete tasks, then withdraw your rewards. One useful thing is the low withdrawal limit, which makes it easier to test early. Chapter 2. My 10-day test. Instead of guessing, I tested Bigcashweb for 10 days. Across those 10 days, I spent around 20 hours using the platform. On day 1, I signed up and got the 20-cent bonus. I mostly did easy games and app downloads and made $9.40. For the first day, it felt pretty good and easy to understand. From day 2 to day 4, I started getting the hang of it. I focused more on the better paying games and offers. During this stretch, I averaged around $11 to $13 per day. Some tasks paid decent, but others were honestly not worth the time. Still, hitting around 2 hours a day was pretty easy. From day 5 to day 8, things started feeling repetitive. The higher paying offers became less available during this part of the test. I made around $8 to $10 per day during this stretch. The good part is that small cash outs were still working without issues. Days 9 and 10 were basically the same. After 10 days and 20 hours, my total came to $104.70. That works out to around $5.20 per hour. Chapter 3. PayPal Payment Proof. My first PayPal payment proof was $3.50. It was small, but it helped confirm that withdrawals were actually possible. My second PayPal payment proof was $60. The PayPal payment came in around 18 hours with no problems in my test. So from my experience, Bigcashweb does pay out to PayPal. Chapter 4. Is the earning worth it? The honest average from my test was around $5.20 per hour. That is not crazy money, and it is definitely not a full-time income. But it can be useful if you want extra cash while playing games or doing simple offers. The biggest drawback is that good offers can run out or become repetitive. Some tasks are decent, but some are trash and not worth your time. Chapter 5. Scam or legit? So, is Bigcashweb legit? Based on my test, yes, it pays. But your earnings are not guaranteed and depend on available tasks. It is better for side cash, not for serious income. Would I keep using it? Probably a little, but only for 1 hour a day max. If you try it, start small, cash out early, and track your hourly earnings. That is my honest Bigcashweb earnings test. It pays, but do not expect to get rich.